Guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to make delicious and well-cooked sausages. Stay tuned and watch till the end. I'll start by pouring oil on a pan because I'm going to shallow fry the sausages. I'll be making 4 sausages because that's enough for me. On that pan, I'll put in the sausages and I won't switch on the cooker until I've put all the sausages on the pan. This will allow the sausages to cook evenly and prevent them from shrinking or bursting. Once all your sausages are cooked, you can switch on the cooker and shallow fry them on low heat. Be careful with the oil because that's water that's coming out from the sausages mixing the oil, so it's going to be hot and it's going to try and pour on you, so be very careful. Let the sausages cook on low or medium heat on both sides. Keep turning the sausages until all the sides are well cooked and they're golden brown like these ones. Once all your sausages are done, you can put on a paper towel or serviette to drain out the excess oils. As you can see, it is well cooked and for sure it cooked inside very well and it didn't shrink or burst. You can now enjoy your sausage with chips, for breakfast, or saute potatoes or any other food. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more recipes. Leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.